You know, Warren Buffett complains all the time that he doesn't pay enough taxes, right? Well, yeah, although first of all, I'll tell you, I'll let you in on a little secret. He's lying. Warren Buffett, when he talks about the fact that he doesn't pay taxes, less than 1% of his income is earned as an individual. Just less than 1%. 99+% of his money is earned through his corporation, Berkshire Hathaway. Warren Buffett owns a third of the stock. They pay 35% tax. They pay billions of dollars a year in taxes. That's Warren's money. A third of it is his. So he chooses to pay it through his corporation. And of course, if the corporation does pay a dividend to Warren Buffett, he pays another 15% tax on that. So his real tax rate is 50%. So when he says he's only paying 15%, he's paying less than his secretary, he's lying. And in fact, when he says he wants to pay more taxes, he's lying about that too. Warren Buffett pays himself a salary of $500,000 a year. That's less than the salary I pay myself. He's a billionaire. I'm not. Why does Warren Buffett work so cheap? Because he doesn't want to pay the taxes. You see, if Warren Buffett paid himself a big salary, he would have to pay a lot of money in taxes on it, like I do. He would have to pay 35% federal, and he'd have to pay I'm not sure what the taxes are in Omaha, but he'd have to pay those. He'd have to pay the Medicare tax, right? All those taxes. So he doesn't do that. He leaves it in the company where he owns a third of it. And get this, he's actually a lot smarter. Berkshire Hathaway trades at 20 times earnings. That's the PE. So every dollar that Warren Buffett doesn't pay himself in salary adds $20 to the value of Berkshire Hathaway stock. Now, if he owns a third of it, that's $7 for Warren. So if he doesn't pay himself a dollar, he's $7 richer. And now when he sells that stock, guess what his tax rate is? 15%. Right? So Warren Buffett is going out of his way to arrange his income to minimize his taxes. Then he goes and cries that he's not paying enough taxes and he wants the government to raise them. He can raise his taxes anytime he wants. Just pay himself a salary or just write a check to the government.